Are you looking for an easy way to stack your containers safely and move them? Our semi-auto twist lock can be preloaded and will shut automatically when a container is placed on them. At All Things Containers, we're a family-owned business committed to providing top quality parts and products.
With over 20 years experience, we've got everything you need.
Hey everyone, Matthew here from All Things Containers. We're Australia's largest supplier of shipping container parts and accessories, shipping all across Australia. As well as being used to semi-automatically lock shipping containers together, unique to these twist locks are rated to lifting 10 tonne each as well. This means you can stack 2 containers together, save time, be more productive, and they can be lifted by the top one. They've been made using a heat-treatable steel and have a hot dip galvanised finish to withstand the elements. Each unit weighs 5.3 kilograms and has a dual function for manual and semi-automatic mode. Watch now as we install one on each corner. If you'd like any more information, please reach out to us via our website or contact us through our social media channels. Like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.